Good morning from Prudent Prosperity. Friday, June the 20th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures traded mostly flat on Friday as oil prices swung, with investors weighing the likelihood of direct U.S. military involvement in the Israel-Iran conflict after President Trump set a deadline for a decision. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures and contracts on the S&P 500 edged up slightly, with both the indexes up about 0.15%, while those on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 nudged up 0.2%. Markets were closed Thursday in observance of Juneteenth, offering investors a brief pause as global headlines grew more volatile. Number 2. SoftBank's founder Masayoshi Son is keen to team up with Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing on a $1 trillion industrial complex in Arizona to build robots and artificial intelligence. TSMC's involvement is uncertain. The Taiwanese company already plans to invest $165 billion in the U.S. and has started mass production at its own Arizona factory. Number 3. Accenture shares are 4% lower in pre-market trading after the professional services firm's quarterly bookings came in shy of analysts' estimates. Accenture's $19.7 billion in bookings fell well short of the $21.5 billion analyst consensus compiled by Visible Alpha. The company reported earnings per share (EPS) of $3.49 on revenue that grew 8% year-over-year to $17.73 billion. Analysts had expected $3.29 and $17.33 billion, respectively. Accenture also lifted the bottom end of its full-year revenue forecast again, now projecting 6% to 7% growth from fiscal 2024, and also raised its EPS estimate to $12.77 to $12.89. Number 4. Hardware retailer Home Depot has reportedly made an offer to buy GMS, a building products distribution company. QXO, another building products distributor, on Wednesday said it had offered to buy GMS for $95.20 per share, an 18% premium to Wednesday's close. Shares of GMS are soaring 30% in pre-market trading, while those of QXO are up 1% and Home Depot stock is edging lower. Number 5. Circle Internet Group shares are up 6% in pre-market trading as the stock continues to make gains following Tuesday's passage of stablecoin legislation by the Senate. The Genius Act opens the door for the use of stablecoins by banks, fintech firms, retailers, and others. Shares of Circle, the largest US-based stablecoin issuer, soared 168% in their June 5th debut on the New York Stock Exchange and entered Friday's session more than 6 times higher than their initial public offering IPO price of $31. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.